everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a what's in my bag tag collab with my good friend Kat, aka curvybarbbie here on YouTube. I will leave her video linked below, so go and show her some love. We did do this tag probably about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and we thought why not do it again because we have new bags and probably more shit in our handbags, so why not? So if you want to see what's in my bag, then please stay tuned. So this is what my bag looks like. It's white on the front, has some gold detailing, baby pink, a little fluff ball which came with the bag, and there's also some charms on there as well. This all came with the bag. On the sides the bag is blue, and then on the back it is white. The brand of this bag is Marakai, and I got this one from Strand Bags and it was on sale for $29.99, which I thought was a bargain. So let's open it up. When you open my bag up, it has this clip here, but then it also has a zip compartment here and a zip compartment here. So I'm just going to pull things out at random. So first I just have my hairbrush. This one is by Michael Mercier. I think that's how you say it, and it's just like a tangle teaser type of brush, and it's like pink and sparkly. I have a receipt here. This one is for Woolworths. I have this fan that my friend Alana gave me when we were at Dreamworld, and we were standing in the lines and we were just fanning ourselves because it is so freaking hot. So that's from my friend Alana. Isn't it so cool? I feel like so bougie and posh when I use this. I'm like, yes girl. I have a blue hair clip because a lot of the time, like if I wear my hair out, I always take a clip. Sorry for my hair today as well. I just put this like pretty little hair tie here. My hair is so greasy, and that's why it probably looks like stuck back, because it's just greasy, and I tied it on up and tried to make it look pretty, so hopefully it doesn't look too greasy and crappy on camera. We have another receipt. This one is from Big W. Next I have a perfume. This is what Our Moment by One Direction. I literally only purchased this because for a 50 ml it was like $6 or $7, and I thought that's cute for my handbag, and it was pink and it actually smells really good. We go into one of these little zippers. So I have some extra chewing gum. The green one is my favorite, spearmint. I have some Advil. Advil's like literally the only thing that works for my headaches, period pain, all that jazz. I have a lighter because I used to be a smoker, but I'm not anymore. I have the occasional ciggy if I'm like drinking and stuff, but very rarely. A hair tie, a band-aid, this little card holder. It just has my go card in here and my season pass for Dreamworld. Moving right along, we have my sunglasses. My friend Kat, who I'm doing this video with, I actually purchased this from her. It's from Key Australia and I love it so much. I really want to get like a fluffy one though. This one is getting quite dirty. And inside, of course, I have my Key sunglasses. These are the Desi Fades. I absolutely love them. They are so amazing. I have my keys. I have a shit ton of key rings on here. I have this my friend made me. It's so cool. I've had it for years. It's really awesome, and it's like stretchy. And I have like a key with this bunny on it. Look how dirty it is. Poor little thing. And I have one of these things here, which one of my friends bought me back from Bali, and it's like got a shopping trolley token in it. This little minion guy here from the RSPCA, and it just like supports animals, and it has like a dog bowl and dogs and paw prints and cats and a chicken on it, and yeah. Okay, a few more things. I have this Aldi trolley token, phone bill, and then I have a $5 Crossroads voucher. I have my little makeup bag. This is like a Maybelline little purse thing, makeup bag, and in here I just have a Real Techniques brush. I have a Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa lipstick in Damn Gina. I have a Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Liner, which is so beat up. Setting brush. I have a little glitter liner from Essence. Some eyelash tweezers. A lip liner and an eyebrow pencil. And I did have a Fresh and Flawless powder in there, but I took it out. I have this beautiful mirror that my mum got me. It's so pretty. I just have my wallet. This again is by the brand Maracay, same as my bag. I absolutely love it. This one was, can't remember if it was $15 or $20, but it was pretty cheap and the bag was only $30. And I just love it. And again, it came with like a pom-pom and then like little charms, which I love. So you unzip it and then there's like a place for your cards on either side, and then you can put money there, money in here, and then there's a coin bit. So yeah, and of course my phone is usually in there. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but I will be upgrading again this year and I'm going to go back to iPhone. Absolutely love Samsung, but I feel like iPhone is just more convenient for everything that I need to do because I kind of like film and edit from my phone. But this is a really pretty phone. I love how customizable they are. This is just my pop socket. It's a little breast cancer logo, and then I have this gorgeous like glittery case. So thank you for watching this video. That is what is in my bag. If any of you guys have like a what's in my bag video up, let me know. I would love to watch it. I'm pretty nosy like that. I also love supporting other people. I think in the beauty community we should all come together and support each other. It's so important. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe before you go. It would mean the world to me. Thank you to all my loving subscribers, new and old. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. And don't forget to go and check out Kat's video, which will be linked down below. Bye guys. Mwah.